Hello everyone, I am Naveen Kumar, Faculty of Physics. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. In this video, I am going to discuss magnetic effect of current. Now let's begin today's topic. A cyclotron is a device which is used to accelerate positive charge particles by passing through them a perpendicular electric and magnetic field a number of times. Now let us discuss its working. Imagine D1 is positive and D2 is negative. The positively charged particle kept at the center and in the gap between the D's get accelerated towards D2 due to perpendicular magnetic field, and according to Fleming's left-hand rule, the charge get deflected and describe the semicircular path. When it is about to leave D2, D2 becomes positive and D1 becomes negative. Therefore, the particle is again accelerated into D1 where it continues to describe the semicircular path. The process continues till the charge travels through the whole space in the D's and finally it comes out with a very high speed through the windows. Surely, magnetic force experienced by the charged particles provides centripetal force required to describe the circular path. Now, centripetal force mv square by r is equals to qvb sine theta, from where the particles will get a velocity which is equals to bqr divided by m. So we get a equation for the time, that is t is equals to pi m divided by bq. That means we can say the total time taken by the charged particles are 2 pi m divided by pq. So frequency of the charged particles executing circular motion is bq divided by 2 pi. If this frequency is varied in synchronization with the variation of mass of the charged particle by maintaining magnetic field as constant to have resonance, then the cyclotron is called synchronocyclotron. If the magnetic field is varied in synchronization with the mass of the charged particle by maintaining frequency as constant to have resonance, then the cyclotron is called asynchronous cyclotron. Cyclotron cannot be used to accelerate neutral charged particles and negatively charged particles. Electrons cannot be accelerated because they gain speed very quickly due to their lighter mass and go out of the phase with the alternating EMF and get lost within the D's. The maximum kinetic energy acquired by the charged particles is half b square q square r square divided by m. Ampere circuital law. According to this law, the line integral of magnetic field for a closed curve is equals to mu naught times the net current I threading through the area bounded by the curve. Now in this diagram you can see that current is emerging out and the magnetic field is anti-clockwise. Now, as per this rule, if we integrate magnetic field over the entire length, then B dot dl cos theta. Now, theta is 0 degree here. So, B dot dl, take out B common. So, integrate dl only. If we integrate this dl over the entire loop, then we get 2 pi r circumference of this circle. Then magnetic field is equals to mu naught I upon 2 pi r into 2 pi r. So we cancel out 2 pi r by 2 pi r. So we get B dot dl is equals to mu naught I. This is the proof of Ampere circuital law. Magnetic field at the center of a straight solenoid. A solenoid means insulated copper wires wounded closely in the form of a helix. Now let us take a rectangular path PQRS. By the help of Ampere circuital law, integration of B dot dl is equals to mu naught I. By applying this rule, we got a magnetic field at the center of the straight solenoid is B is equals to mu naught Ni. Magnetic field due to toroidal solenoid. A solenoid bent in the form of closed ring is called toroidal solenoid. Let us take a small length dl of a toroid of radius small r. The magnetic field exists only in the tabular area bounded by the coil, and it does not exist in the area inside and outside the toroid. That is, magnetic field is zero at O and Q and non-zero at point P. By the help of Ampere's circuital law, we got magnetic field due to this toroid is B is equals to mu naught n I. Dear students, I hope you must have understood the topic. Keep learning, keep exploring till we meet next. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Namaskar.